Pranav, so if you could just quickly run us through the idea of Fusion Charts and how you came up with it and what was the whole idea behind starting this project?
Right, so I started Fusion Charts as a way to make pocket money. I did not intend to start a business. I was in class 11, so I wrote up an article on how to make better data visualization like charts and graphs online. And then people gave me feedback on the article and asked me to productize it, and that is how the idea of Fusion Charts was born.
Okay. So could you tell us more about Fusion Charts, when it started and the projects you're working on right now and clients?
So we don't work on projects. We are purely a product company. We don't do services as in like, if you need something, we don't deliver that. We have a specific set of data visualization components. It's in data visualization space, and we continually build that. So we are a pure play products company.
Pallav, take us through the highs and lows of being an entrepreneur.
So good part about being entrepreneurship is you don't experience highs and lows like in a duration of weeks or months. Like every single day, every single hour, you're experiencing highs and lows, possibly multiple times at the same hour. So I mean, getting your first customer, getting your first employee, getting your first check, having a certain amount of money in the bank, getting the first coverage, all those are like very, very, very high highs. Lows are when you have to fire your employees. Lows are when not in my case, but I've heard in my friends' cases where they did not have money to pay to their employees at the end of the month. Lows are when you are setting up a target, but somehow a group of employees don't live up to the expectation, or somebody meets with an accident and you just are unable to cope up with the commitments that you have made. So those are various lows. But the good part is every time you have a high, you just feel you're on the top of the world.
Great. And Pallav, any piece of advice for the young entrepreneurs?
So one thing is experiment. I mean, at least when you are 16 to 25, you have a lot of time to experiment. You don't have any responsibilities, you don't have any EMIs or any of such liabilities in life. That is the time when you should be absolutely fearless. So when you're in your 4th year of college, don't just waste that time. Try and build up something, even if that something is not a business idea, but build up something which you are going to use. Build up something to improve your life, your friend's life, your parents' life. If that has value and if that is executed well, you'll find that itself turns up into a business. So don't wait out for an idea and then say, you know what, I have this great idea and I'm going to build it, and then sweat over how to raise money or how to raise funding. But go out and build it, because at that time you're at your creative best without any liabilities.
And Pallav, are you a gadget freak, and if yes, which is your favorite gadget?
Absolutely, everything Apple. So I mean, I love my gaming. So gaming, I split between Xbox, PS3, and Wii, because Wii is kind of more healthier than Xbox and PS3. But when it comes to my mobile, iPad, and MacBook, it has to be Apple, because it syncs up pretty well. Otherwise, anywhere where I see a good device, I'm a very big headphone freak. So like probably have 25 different headphones in my house, and I keep trying and I keep getting a whack from my wife for buying headphones when I don't need them.
Okay. And Pallav, what's your biggest takeaway from TechSparks 2013?
That's a good question. Actually, I still think I'm halfway through, but the biggest takeaway would be that India has a huge opportunity right now. I mean, always we are talking about the global opportunities and the global companies, but coming here, seeing so many companies build great businesses out of India and seeing how they're tackling Indian challenges differently gives us hope that even India could be a big market, and if we know how to tackle it well, it could be a big business.
All right. Thank you so much, Pallav.